lesson, we're going to take a look at the types of things that you can do with the property browser. To start, I'm going to go to my browsers and I'm going to click on the property browser. And one thing I want you to notice is that your options in the property browser are going to change depending upon whether you have the whole page selected. So if I click on the background of the page, or if I click on an object like this text box. Watch when I click on the text box mitosis that the options change by quite a bit. But I'm going to go back and show you some of the properties for the page. I'm going to click on the page. And you can see identification, page, tools, and grid. One thing to note is that all of these headings in the property browser are collapsible. So if you want to focus on one, you can close all the others. So for instance, I can close identification, page, tools, and grid by clicking on the minus sign next to them, or I can expand them. One thing I want to show you is that you can, in the property browser, create a grid on any page. Could be helpful for math teachers or others just by clicking on visible, choose true. Or if you want to manipulate the size of the units, you can click on grid designer and you can do a lot of specializing of your grid. So that's one thing you can do in the property browser. I'm going to change that to false. And you can name the page. So if your flip chart gets to be pretty long and you want to keep track of what you're covering on each page or what they're what the focus is, you can do that for purposes of maybe linking from pages in a nonlinear way or something like that. You can change page size in the page properties or change a background. There's multiple ways that you can change the background of a page. And then lastly, you can also set what the page tool is going to be by default at the start. So for example, on this very basic page, where I have 3 facts about the process of mitosis, I could choose to have the magic revealer tool on when I get to this page. What that means is that when I navigate to this page, by default, it's going to be completely covered up, and I could slowly reveal portions of this page as I'm doing right now, so that not all the information was present for the students at one time. So you can see a couple of the options with page properties that you might want to experiment with.